Welcome to Superb Story Session, a time where we listen to wonderful, beautiful stories. We draw life skills, life lessons from them and become thought leader. Yes, let's get started. Today we have a very nice, beautiful story. Story is deep in the heart of a forest live many creatures, and everybody had their unique voice. There was a mighty bear whose growl echoed through the trees, a graceful deer who danced across the meadow, a wise owl whose hoots filled the night, and the tiny cricket, whose song brightened the summer evenings. Yet everything was not in harmony. It was not. There was a lot of disharmony. The bear often felt misunderstood by the deer. The deer feared the bear's strength, and the owl sometimes felt it was invisible to others. A quiet tension was hung over the forest. A silent discord was kept from it from truly flourishing. The forest was not flourishing at all. One day, a little bird, a newcomer to the forest, noticed the unrest. She noticed it. With gentle curiosity, she listened to each creature, not to judge or criticize, but to understand their feelings and their fears. Feelings and the fears. She discovered the bear felt lonely. The deer struggled with self doubt, and the owl simply wanted to be heard. With her sweet, soothing voice, the bird began to sing a song of unity, putting all of them together. She sang for the bear's courage, the deer's elegance, the owl's wisdom. Her melody celebrated their differences as their strengths would bring them together. Gradually, slowly, the forest listened, and for the first time, the creatures truly heard each other. They began sharing stories, embracing new perspectives, and valuing each other's gifts. The bear grew to admire deer's swiftness. The deer learned to respect the bear's power. The owl found joy in connecting with others. Soon the forest resonated with a joyful chorus, a symphony of peace and harmony. The creature discovered the true strength lies not in dominance, but in what? Now that's your turn.
Coach, teamwork or unity?
Unity. But teamwork and unity comes with what?
Happiness?
Sorry?
Happiness.
Happiness, understanding. The creatures discovered that true strength lies not in dominance, but in what?
Friendship.
Friendship. What are the bases of friendship?
Meet
Coach,
together.
trust.
Sorry?
Trust.
Trust.
Respect. Respect.
Respect. Wonderful. Yeah. Yes. It lies in, according to the story, it lies in empathy. Empathy is able to see from the other person's shoes, respect and togetherness. Yeah. And the little bird who had sparkled the transformation found the peace that she had long thought, not just in the forest, but deep within her own heart. Yes. Wonderful. Harmony will only come when people are together understanding each other's strengths. I understand what is Rohan's strength. Rohan understands what is Vishal's strength. Where we will be able to recognize and respect what Vishal is good at. And we all will be peaceful if we understand what Yukta is capable of. And having that mutual respect, empathy with each other, and the togetherness actually will bring harmony. Beautiful story. Any other learning anybody else wants to share? So this story is actually pretty simple. However, speaks a very big volume about why there is disharmony in the society, in the communities. Of very simple as people are self-obsessed about themselves. But the moment somebody beautiful like that little bird comes along and tells us that it is not just you, the reason is you are a part of a bigger picture, and when we can work in this, when we can work in harmony and understand each other and appreciate each other, togetherness. That way, as a society, we will click. As a family, we'll be together. Wonderful. It says a lot of things are there in that. Let us create a world of greenery, educate children for their ecology, body and relationship. So many things are there. Yes. Yeah. Everybody, please get back in Vajrasana. Very good to see you, Tarun. After a long time, he was there at the office yesterday. Tarun, it's the key is consistency, Tarun. You start seeing results. Shashikara ji, where are you? Where are you both? You do motte maadila irkingla?
Yes, G.
Much nicer. There'll be good breeze actually at this time. It'll be much more cool.
G, not getting properly.
It'll be much more cooler.
Yes, really. Nice.
Yeah. But good to see Gayatri also. Everybody, please sit in Vajrasana. Okay? Bhuvnesh, Vajrasana. Yeah. Yukta, please unmute. Everybody, over to Yukta. Yukta, please, everybody sit straight. Close your eyes. Sit straight. Focus on your breathing now. Rohan, you're required to sit straight, Rohan. This is a meditative posture. Bhuvnesh, நீங்க என்ன பண்றீங்க? Sit straight, Bhuvnesh. கண்ணு மூடிட்டு. Let's start with alternate nasal breathing, 20 left in, 20 right out.
Be breathing 6 counts. Energize the low speed, low energy, the high speed, high energy, high intensity. Start.
Bhuvnesh, you come to the other side and sit, Bhuvnesh. No need to sit there. Where side put ukaranga?
Lock it up. Let's start with our gratitude.
Opposite side, bring a camera opposite.
Thank you, Self. Thank you, Self, for being such an amazing person. Always so kind, always so caring. Thank you, Self, for being focused on your goals, for being focused on yourself. Thank you, Self, for being kind, for being honest, for being truthful. Thank you, Self, for choosing to be happy. Thank you, Self, for being empathetic. Thank you, Self, for being a good friend, a trustworthy, an honest friend. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you to Bliss to support your mom and dad for us being there for you. They've given you everything you need, whether it's food to eat, shelter to live in, or clothes to wear. They've given you love and care throughout your life. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank Mother Nature for giving you resources like food, water, and oxygen. Without these resources, we wouldn't be here today. Thank the God, the Almighty, for giving us all the purpose, soul the why. A soul with a mission and vision. Thank the God, the Almighty, for giving you everything in abundance, whether it's life, health, wealth, education, money, everything. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, gurus, your teachers, your coaches. Thank them for teaching you important values, for teaching you amazing values. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Visualize the bright white light coming right towards you. This bright white light goes to your head, goes down your face.
Sit straight.
Your neck, your chest, your hands, your fingers, your fingertips. Goes down your stomach, your thighs, your knees, your calves, and your toes. Head to toe, toe to head, fully vested with bright white light. Now, on the rise, your mind to visualize our goals, our purpose, our mission, and vision. Visualize long-term goals, short-term goals. Goals today, goals tomorrow. Start. Let go of your hands, hands to your heart. Repeat after me. I'm amazing. I'm powerful. I'm kind. I'm compassionate. I'm honest. I'm truthful. I'm empathetic. I'm kind. I'm born to win. I'm born to lead. I'm lovable. I'm capable. I'm valuable. I am a superb human.
I am a superb human.
Raindrop claps 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, first one. Second one. Last one. Open eyes, these words in the face.
Everybody live purposefully, powerfully. You are indeed superhumans.
Thanks, Dee. Thanks, Rika.
Hello everybody, my name is Dr. Sachin and I am a life coach. I use games, activities and exercises to teach young champions valuable life skills and study skills which help them become number one in studies and number one in life. Continue to watch our videos, share them, subscribe to our channel and please do comment. It'll help us, it'll inspire us to make more good content like this. Thank you so much for watching our channel. Also do visit our website. Thank you so much.